Windows are an essential feature of any home, not only providing light and ventilation but also contributing to the overall energy efficiency and aesthetics. However, homeowners in Silver Spring, Maryland, may find themselves facing several common window-related issues due to the region's fluctuating weather patterns and the age of their homes. If you are dealing with window problems, don't worry. Here's a look at some of the most frequent window problems homeowners face in Silver Spring and tips on how to fix them. Drafty windows. Drafty windows are a common issue in older homes, particularly those built before the 1980s. If you feel cold air seeping through the edges of your windows, it's likely due to gaps, worn-out seals, or poor insulation. Not only do these drafts make your home uncomfortable, but they can also lead to higher energy bills as your HVAC system works harder to regulate temperature. How to fix it? Replace weather stripping. Check the weather stripping around your windows. If it is cracked or worn out, replace it with new rubber or foam weather stripping. This simple fix can help reduce drafts significantly. Caulk gaps. For any visible gaps or cracks around the window frame, use caulk to seal them. This is a cost-effective solution to prevent air from entering or escaping. Install window insulation film. For additional insulation, consider applying clear plastic film to the window. This creates an extra barrier to prevent drafts from entering during the colder months. Condensation between window panes. Condensation between the panes of a double or triple glazed window can be an annoying problem. It occurs when the seals around the window fail, allowing moisture to enter between the glass layers. This issue not only affects the clarity of your view but can also cause mold growth and deteriorate your window frame over time. How to fix it? Seal or replace the window. If condensation is noticeable and persistent, the seal between the panes may be compromised. In this case, you may need to replace the window entirely, as fixing the seal is not a practical option for most homeowners. A professional window installer can help replace the window unit without having to replace the entire frame. DIY dehumidifying. If the moisture has just started appearing, you can try using a dehumidifier in the affected room to draw out the excess moisture. However, this is often a temporary solution. Window won't open or close properly. Stiff or jammed windows are a common problem, especially in older Silver Spring homes. Over time, wood or metal window frames can warp due to changes in temperature and humidity. This can make it difficult or impossible to open or close your windows smoothly. How to fix it? Lubricate the track. For sliding windows or double-hung windows, clean the tracks and apply a lubricant, like silicone spray, to ease movement. Adjust the window frame. If the frame has shifted or warped, you may need to have it adjusted or realigned by a professional to restore smooth functionality. Replace the window hardware. In some cases, the issue may be with the window hardware, such as locks or hinges. Replacing these parts can make a big difference in restoring proper window operation. Cracked or broken glass. Accidents happen, and sometimes a rock or a branch can hit your window, leading to cracks or even shattered glass. Broken glass is not just a security concern but also a safety issue, particularly if it's a large window. How to fix it? Temporary patching. If you're unable to get the glass repaired immediately, you can temporarily patch the window using plastic sheeting or plywood to keep your home secure. Be sure to seal the edges with tape to prevent further damage. Professional glass replacement. It's essential to have the glass replaced as soon as possible. A professional window repair service can replace the glass pane quickly and securely. Rattling windows. Rattling windows are especially common in older homes with wooden frames. They can be caused by loose window sashes, inadequate seals, or even the natural expansion and contraction of materials over time. Rattling windows can be an annoying distraction, particularly during windstorms or heavy rain. How to fix it? Tighten the window sashes. If your window sashes are loose, tightening the screws can often solve the problem. Check both the top and bottom sashes to ensure they're secure. Use foam tape. For a quick fix, apply foam weatherstripping tape to the edges of the window. This helps prevent the sashes from vibrating and reduces noise. Peeling or fading window frames. Exposure to sunlight, temperature changes, and moisture can cause window frames to peel, crack, or fade over time. This is particularly common in homes with wooden frames, but vinyl and aluminum frames can also show wear after several years. How to fix it? Repaint wooden frames. If you have wooden window frames, sanding them down and applying a fresh coat of paint or varnish will help restore their appearance and protect them from further damage. Vinyl frame cleaning. For vinyl frames, regular cleaning with a mild detergent and water will help keep them looking fresh. If the color has faded, consider using a vinyl restoration product. Final thoughts. Whether you're dealing with drafty windows, broken glass, or stuck sashes, there are several ways to address common window problems in Silver Spring homes. If you're not comfortable performing repairs yourself, or if the issue persists, it's always a good idea to call in a professional window contractor to ensure the job is done correctly. A properly maintained window will not only improve your home's comfort and energy efficiency but also extend the lifespan of your windows.